What is programming? Hi guys, how are you? In this video we talk about what is programming. I would be happy if you press the like button before the video and press the subscribe button and be next it to be informed of our videos. First of all, there are countless definitions of what computer programming is, but here is mine. Programming is how you get computers to slow programs. There are two key phrases here that are important. 1. Programmer. Without the programmer, the computer is useless. It does what do you tell it to do. 2. Solve programs. Computers are tools. They are complex tools, admittedly, but they are not necessary or magical. They exist to make tasks easier. Computer programs make computer work. Computer programs are what makes computers work. Without software, modern computers are just completed machines for turning electricity into heat. It's software on your computer that runs your operating system, browser, email, games, movie player, just about everything. Programming is creative. Yes, programming is creative task. There is no right or wrong way to slow a program, in the same way that there is no right or wrong way to paint a picture. There are choices to be made, and one way may seem better than answer, but that doesn't mean the answer is wrong. With the right skills and experience, a programmer can craft software to solve an ultimate number of programs, from telling you when your next train will arrive at playing your favorite music. The possibilities are constrained only by your imagination. That's why I love programming. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.